this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily find your IP address on your phone. Maybe you're connected to the Wi-Fi and you need this information for whatever reason. Well, to do this, it's easy. Scroll on down from the top, go to Settings. Then scroll down to the bottom to where it says About Phone. Then if you continue to scroll under this list, eventually you'll get to a spot where it says Identifiers. So here's device identifiers right there. So if we continue to scroll down, it's going to tell us our MAC address, our IP address, and other information relative to our network. So just continue scrolling down. All the information you need will be there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.